Hello guys, we XH4 have made a Twitter bot using sentiment analysis of COVID-19 tweets. As you all know, at the moment our world is in the middle of a crisis. People have been stuck in their home due to COVID-19 pandemic and are eagerly waiting for a vaccine to be discovered so that they can go back to their normal life. According to the studies, this self-isolation has started to affect people's mind in a negative and harmful way. This has directly led to increase in suicide rate as we can clearly see the wrong effects of isolation on our beloved actor Sushant Singh Rajput. We plan to combat this rise in mental health problem by analyzing the public tweets from the time period of this lockdown. We further enhance it by using it on a live dataset which gives us a good idea of the current mindset of people around the world. Our plan includes to make a Twitter bot which replies to sad or depressed detected tweets. These are the services used for the app. We go here. This is the app design we came up with. You can here see the recently captured tweets with the detected emotions with new tweets every 20 minutes due to API limitations. This graph shows the overall summarized emotions of the people around the world from the lockdown time period up till now. This graph shows a more in-depth analysis of the emotions with anger, fear, joy, sadness. Here we can see all the tweets captured by a model up till now, which is approximately equal to 53,000 tweets. I will now show you the Twitter bot we made based on a model as mentioned before. If someone types this with a hashtag COVID-19, a model picks it up, detects it's sad, and will reply it with a motivational meme from Reddit or a quote. In future, we plan to industrialize our project by adding a functionality wherein any company can track their products using any hashtags. You can clearly see the mental health messiah replied here. Now I will show you the basic architecture of our project. We first get our tweets from the Twitter API using the developer account. It comes to our application using these three: Watson tone analyzer, which says the sentiments; Watson assistant, which uses repetitive machine learning using the previous tweets analyzed; and Watson natural language and understanding, which converts the tweets text into machine code, machine as in machine understanding language. This all tweets is then stored in the database which I showed you previously. Then from here it is shown in the app UI to the user, and it is interactable. That's it. Thank you.